हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू वंस अगेन ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल डेली न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग सेशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं न्यूज़पेपर का एक आर्टिकल। द इंडियन फार्मिंग इकोसिस्टम हैज़ बीन ए बिग चेंज इन रिसेंट ईयर। द एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ क्लाइमेट चेंज एज एन imminent concern rather than an issue that need to tackled in the medium term. Policymakers, bankers, researchers, weather experts, and seed companies are of the view that cropping technique, pattern, and technology must adapt rapidly. At the recently concluded a business, agri, and commodity summit, it was agreed that natural farming can insulate India's crops against increasingly frequent extreme weather events. If the Indian Council for Agriculture Research is working on drought and food resistance variety, NABARD is promoting a new financial mechanism such as the Agri Fund and the Carbon Fund, working in tandem with state and multilateral agencies in terms of the delivery of climate proofing solutions. Primary Agriculture Credit Society has been identified the importance nodal institutions. The center plans to expand their role beyond giving credit. However, हालांकि the drive to set up 2 lakh multi-purpose cooperatives would require the cooperation of the states. There is growing recognition of the potential of earning carbon credit through climate smart practice. Although the process need to be formed up so that genuine farmers rather than dubious consultants and experts with global link benefit. Funding for such practice must be accompanied by clean cut condition so that back end input too are green. However, there are gaps in the current thrust. India's farm research systems are primarily geared towards increasing yield through resource-intensive hybrid variety. It is not clear whether variety that combine stress resistance and yield improvement are in the pipeline. More efforts should be made to select natural variety for their resilient threats, as research focus on yield only may prove limiting in the long run, as the protect of crop damage and assume more serious proportion. The Prime Minister's office has called for reform the ICR system, while food grain output has increased despite vagaries of the weather. It is better to be prepared for eventualities. It is also important to realize that the important impact of the harsh weather on crops is pronounced in the rain-filled heartland, which constitutes 50% of the cultivated area, as against irrigated regions. Climate proofing policies should focus on the unerect regions, in particular multi-cropping, as well as promotion of millets and typically small patches of land can protect output and incomes. Research has shown that monocropping in rain-fed regions has reduced return to farmers while exposing them to uncertainty. There need there needs to be more conceptual clarity on the entire gamut of process that encompass sustainable farming. The allocation towards the PM PM परंपरागत कृषि विकास योजना, which has seen just over 2000 crore being spent over about 4 years, can be increased alongside reforms in research and market linkage.